Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, I'm discussing what I'm kind of just colloquially referring to as one-stop retirement visa services. As we've discussed in other videos, there is a one-stop service center associated with certain kinds of business visa, work permit. Not what we're talking about here. I'm just using this as a colloquialism, a euphemism, if you will, talking about basically retirees looking to come to Thailand. We get a lot of correspondence from both retirees and prospective retirees who are looking to get their visas sorted. They're really confused about dealing with Thailand Pass, things like the Phuket sandbox or the other sandboxes, whether or not they can still use Test and Go, et cetera, et cetera. It's not real easy to cut through the fog, and I get it. Also, more to the point of this video, because we talk about immigration specifically a lot in other videos, we're also talking about one key thing we see on a question from a lot of retirees are things like bank accounts and even driving licenses. And look, I mean, we assist with all this stuff, and I'm getting to the point where in a lot of cases now, every case we deal with on a case-by-case basis, depending on where you are, the circumstances of your case. We may or may not be able to process a retirement visa instantly. We may have to bone up your financials or deal with evidence. Or you may be in a jurisdiction where it may be really difficult to get a visa issued, so we may have to make other arrangements. Everybody's case is going to be different. But the point of this video is we often can find a sort of one-stop solution for folks who are looking to come to Thailand, retire. We can help process things like coming inbound, dealing with Thai immigration, inbound, Thailand Pass, these kinds of things, and then, or a certificate of entry, depending on your circumstances, although that's pretty rare now. And then once you're here, dealing not only with your ongoing retirement status, but things like 90-day reporting. We assist with that quite frequently for a lot of our retiree clients, as well as banking. We can assist in helping people get a bank account set up. And again, it depends on circumstances, and there's a lot of factors to look at, but we also assist oftentimes in putting people on the right track or moving them down the track to go ahead and get a Thai driving license, which on top of everything else may be very useful, if for no other reason than an ID. It is a Thai government issued ID, and that can be of some use to folks who want to live here long term and don't really want to have to carry around their passport or a copy of their passport. So yeah, I'm kind of more and more, again, it's case dependent, but we're trying to, we always are looking for ways to create efficiency and reasonable pricing in our services, and this kind of one-stop concept or paradigm, if you will, with regard to our retiree clients is something we're trying to adopt more and more.